Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new DJI Mavic 4 Pro and the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mavic 4 Pro is DJI's latest high-end consumer drone, boasting a powerful triple-camera setup, faster speeds, and longer range. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro is a compact, budget-friendly option designed for ease of use and travel, with fewer restrictions and a lighter frame. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two drones and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and portability. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is built for travel. It weighs less than 250 grams and folds down to just 148 by 94 millimeters, making it easy to pack and fly anywhere. On the other hand, the Mavic 4 Pro is much larger and heavier, tipping the scales at 1,063 grams. Its folded size is 257.6 by 124.8 millimeters, which means it takes up more space and feels bulkier in hand. While the Mini's design makes it ideal for spontaneous adventures and quick takeoffs, the Mavic's larger body allows for better flight stability and room for high-performance components. If you're always on the move or value portability above all, the Mini 4 Pro wins hands down. But if size isn't a concern and you're after more robust features, the Mavic 4 Pro justifies its bulk. When it comes to speed and range, the Mavic 4 Pro truly pulls ahead. It has a maximum horizontal speed of 25 meters per second and can ascend and descend at 10 meters per second. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro tops out at 16 meters per second horizontally and 5 meters per second for both ascent and descent. If you need to chase fast-moving subjects or navigate windy conditions, the Mavic's higher wind resistance of 12 meters per second also gives it an edge. In terms of distance, the Mavic 4 Pro offers a whopping 41-kilometer maximum flight distance and can take off from altitudes as high as 6,000 meters. Depending on the battery used, the Mini 4 Pro offers 18 to 25 kilometers of range and a takeoff altitude between 3,000 and 4,000 meters. If you're planning long scenic flights or need reliability at higher elevations, the Mavic 4 Pro is the better performer by far. In terms of camera capabilities, the Mavic 4 Pro is a creative powerhouse. It features a triple camera system with a 100-megapixel 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera with 2.5x zoom, a 48-megapixel medium telecamera with 6x zoom, and a 50-megapixel telecamera that supports up to 24x zoom. You can shoot stunning 6K video and enjoy a versatile gimbal setup, perfect for capturing vertical content for social media. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro keeps things simple with a single 48-megapixel, 1.3-inch CMOS sensor that supports up to 4 times zoom in full HD. It still delivers crisp footage and decent low-light performance, but it can't match the flexibility or quality of the Mavic's camera suite. If you're a content creator or aerial photographer looking to push creative limits, the Mavic 4 Pro clearly leads. But for casual video or travel vlogs, the Mini 4 Pro still does an impressive job. Moving on to flight regulations, especially if you're flying in the UK, the Mini 4 Pro has a clear edge. Since it weighs under 250 grams, it falls into the category of drones that are subject to fewer restrictions. This means you can fly it closer to people and buildings without much red tape. On the other hand, the Mavic 4 Pro being over 1 kilogram must be flown at least 50 meters away from uninvolved people and 150 meters from built-up areas, unless you take an additional training course that costs around 100 pounds. That could be a deal-breaker for casual users. So, if you want a hassle-free flying experience without needing extra certifications or worrying about local rules, the Mini 4 Pro offers that freedom. The Mavic 4 Pro is better suited for professional use, where you're already licensed or flying in controlled environments. Now let's talk about battery life. The Mavic 4 Pro's larger body makes room for a 6,654 mAh battery, offering up to 51 minutes of flight time or 45 minutes of hovering. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro uses a 2,590 mAh battery with 34 minutes of flight time, or up to 45 minutes if you opt for the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. The hovering time is shorter too, at 30 to 39 minutes depending on the battery. This means the Mavic 4 Pro not only flies longer but is better suited for extended shoots or distant missions. As for my final verdict, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a top-tier drone that checks a lot of boxes for professionals and enthusiasts who crave power, versatility, and range. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a smart, lightweight choice for casual flyers who want portability, fewer legal restrictions, and solid performance at a lower price. Choose based on how and where you fly, and you can't go wrong with either.